Hello friends, I'm Akash and a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one very important topic that many of us struggle with: how to stay calm under pressure. Life often throws a lot of unexpected challenges our way, and remaining composed can make all the difference. So let's discuss some valuable strategies to help you conquer any situation with grace and poise. Before we dive into the techniques, it's important to understand what pressure truly is. At its core, pressure stems from the perceived mismatch between the demands placed upon us and our available resources, what we can do. It can manifest as work deadlines, exams, difficult conversations, or even personal setbacks. And acknowledging that pressure exists and is a part of life is the first step towards effectively managing and staying calm throughout many of these challenging situations. Self-awareness is a powerful tool when it comes to managing pressure. By understanding your triggers, your emotions, and your physical signs of stress, you can take a proactive approach in diffusing any form of tension before it escalates. Allow yourself to recognize the thoughts and the emotions that arise in high-pressure situations and practice self-compassion. Remember, everyone experiences pressure. I mean everyone. And you, as a person, have the power to respond to it in a way that can enhance your well-being. Let's focus on specific techniques for trying to reduce stress. This is stuff that you can more actively do. One highly effective technique for staying calm under pressure is deep breathing. Deep breathing almost serves as an antidote for some when it comes to dealing with stress, anxiety, and panic. When you inhale deeply, filling your lungs with oxygen, you instantly activate your body's relaxation response. This simple yet powerful practice helps to regulate your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and reduce tension throughout your entire body for that time period. Combine deep breathing with a centering visual like "I'm calm and focused" to anchor yourself in the present moment. Mindfulness is an invaluable tool in managing pressure. By practicing mindfulness, you cultivate an attentive awareness of the present moment without judgment. It allows you to objectively observe your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, which empowers you to respond rather than react impulsively. Engaging in daily mindfulness exercises like meditation or body scans enhances your ability to stay composed in even the most high pressure of situations. Additionally, mindset plays a pivotal role in maintaining your calm amidst the chaos. By adopting a growth mindset, you can transform pressure into an opportunity for personal growth. So try to embrace a growth mindset that believes in your ability to adapt and overcome adversity. Remind yourself that challenges serve as just stepping stones on the path to success. By focusing on the potential positive outcomes and on what you can control, you can foster a sense of calmness, of resilience, and of confidence, even in the face of pressure. Effective time management is yet another key element in staying calm. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, and break them down into manageable segments that you can do. Make sure to create a structured plan to guide your actions, allowing for flexibility when unexpected pressures arise. By taking control of your schedule and allocating time for self-care and to achieve what you want, you will build a lot of resilience and maintain a clear focus during challenging times. And finally, never underestimate the power of support systems. Seeking help and guidance from trusted friends, family, or mentors can offer fresh perspective, encouragement, and assistance during times of intense pressure. Sharing your worries, fears, and challenges with others allows for a collective strength and reminds you that yes, you're not alone in your journey. Together, you can weather any storm that life throws your way. So, next time you're under pressure, make sure to remember the tips in this video. Follow and utilize all of these powerful strategies to help you stay calm under pressure. It's essential to practice and implement techniques like these regularly for long-lasting results. Life will always continue to test us, but by cultivating self-awareness, practicing deep breathing, engaging in mindfulness, sharing our perspectives with others, managing time strategically, and learning on support systems, we can confidently navigate even the most challenging situations. Believe me when I say this, you can do it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my videos, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss another one of my videos ever again. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Love you, Akash.